Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we connect Wi-Fi in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi in your Samsung phone device, so how can you connect and how can you use guys your Samsung phone Wi-Fi setting guys. Today friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we connect Wi-Fi in our Samsung phone device guys. So friends, open your phone setting guys to connect your phone Wi-Fi network. After on phone setting guys, you can see connection setting guys. Tap here guys, click on Wi-Fi setting, and we will on our Wi-Fi from here. After on guys, first of all guys, we will refresh our Wi-Fi setting guys. After refresh guys, you can see guys your Wi-Fi network. So friends, which network guys you have, you know the password guys, we will select. I will select the 5G network to connect, and guys I will enter guys this 5G network password guys, and guys you can check your password from here, and guys click on tab connect option, and friends wait, and friends you can see Wi-Fi network has connected in our Samsung phone device. So we can use guys while operating any app. Guys, we don't have mobile data guys, you can connect your Wi-Fi network and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to connect Wi-Fi in Samsung phone device. So bye guys.